I have 7 vehicles.
Okay.
Received. Do you want me to start the hood?
It's 5-6. It's the standby. You could have drive the other vehicle who was registered and get this one registered.
Can I handle this? Can I handle this? You gonna take me to jail?
I'm not gonna take you to jail.
Okay, can I park the car here and walk to the DMV?
I'm gonna tow your vehicle. It's
No, you're not. You're not finna tow my vehicle. Let me park my car right here.
You're not gonna move your car, sir. You give me your keys right now, and I'm gonna tow your vehicle. You try to be more respectful with me, I'm gonna respect you the same way.
A few moments later.
Give me my paperwork here. Fucking.
No, don't touch me. Don't give me like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera. This motherfucker. I'm a foot away from DMV.
Keep your distance.
You are a fucking asshole.
Yeah, sometimes these Hollywood people can be crazy. This guy sometimes act like a dictator, but in real life, he cannot behave like one. Ice-T found himself in a heated confrontation with law enforcement last month after being pulled over in New Jersey while driving his Porsche 911 without a front license plate. What happened at the end is extremely concerning. I saw this video. I want to share my thought into what actually went on. It is important we look into it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do that. It will do you no harm if you share the video.
What's up, officer?
Officer Silla, Hudson County Sheriff's Office. Let you know you're being recorded, okay?
I'm headed to the DMV. This is where I'm going to get all my registration and everything straight on this car.
At first, everything appeared to be normal as a simple traffic stop, but things would soon escalate between the actor and the officer.
You know your registration expired since 2021.
That's where I'm going. I'm headed right there.
When did you decide to go and change?
Yesterday. I went yesterday, but they...
Yeah, but what I'm saying is your registration been expired since 2021.
The car's been parked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course I'm sure. That's why I'm trying to get this car set up to roll. Yesterday I went to the DMV and they said that their system was down, so that's where I'm headed. I got 7 cars. I'm trying to get them all straight.
I honestly don't understand why these people always behave like this. It started where, based on what we are seeing here, but along the way, it will turn to something different. This is just someone like this, he is rich, look at the kind of cars he's running, but his team cannot check to have all documents. It is actually shameful sometimes when I look at this happening. I can't even believe that someone like this is facing this situation.
You say you went to DMV yesterday? They said the system is down?
Yesterday, yep.
What time was your appointment yesterday?
I didn't have an appointment. They just take me.
You need to have an appointment to go to DMV.
I don't need one.
Why is that?
Because they know me.
Because they know you. Is your passport? Do you have a driver's license?
Yep. I'm getting that. That has... That's expired.
So you have your license expired as well?
That's why I'm going to the DMV.
Sir, even if it's 1 feet, you cannot drive with an expired license and expired registration.
I mean, why don't you follow me right to this garage right here? The DMV is right there. You don't gotta be that serious about this. I mean, you can, but you don't have to.
Well, is it serious? So, give me 1 second.
I could park the car right here and then walk to the DMV.
It's 5-6. It's the standby. You could have drive the other vehicle who was registered and get this one registered.
Can I handle this? Can I handle this? You gonna take me to jail?
I'm not gonna take you to jail.
Okay, can I park the car here and walk to the DMV?
I'm gonna tow your vehicle. It's
No, you're not. You're not finna tow my vehicle. Let me park my car right here.
You're not gonna move your car, sir. You give me your keys right now, and I'm gonna tow your vehicle. You try to be more respectful with me, I'm gonna respect you the same way.
Well, then let me. You see, I'm going to.
No, you're not gonna tell me what to do. I'm gonna tell you what to do. So give me your keys right now. If you don't go that route.
I asked you, can I park my car?
I said not. Give me your key, sir.
If I'm not under arrest, then I'm getting out of my car. Give me my paperwork here.
No, don't touch me. Don't
Give me
like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera. This I'm a foot away from DMV.
Keep the distance.
You are a fucking asshole.
I'm not an asshole. You've been an asshole to me.
I'm an asshole. I'm trying to get to the DMV. I showed you all the paperwork. Let me start recording your dumb ass.
So 5-6, start the hook and start me out the unit.
What I don't understand is the fact that this guy doesn't even realize that his documents have been suspended for a very long time. He's still even struggling to talk. Maybe he thought looking at the car they would be scared to tow it. Or his celebrity status, or what exactly. It's simple. Look for somebody with license, to drive you around or you take over. That is okay. What is the essence of doing this? Along the way, he get offended when they told him this car is going. He looked at the car and looked at the officer. He was confused at a certain point. But he didn't behave well to me. When you look at a situation, you put in both sides, are you wrong or right? If you see that you're wrong, it is normal for you to calm down, handle it in a way that even the police officer will look at you and maybe even change his mind. These people always try to insult, do all sort of things when things like this get messy.
I'm Sarge.
What's up, Sarge?
Hey, what's going on, brother? How are you?
I'm trying to get to DMV to register my cars.
Okay.
I got all the paperwork and everything there. I asked the officer, could I just go over here or even park my car so that I could walk over there and get all my paperwork together. He says he wants to tow my car.
All right, give me a second. Let me find out what's going on here, and then we'll figure something out, okay?
Okay.
Right,
You're doing a little too much, Sarge.
Okay, so what I was going to do is just issue him a ticket, let him park here. Okay. He jumped out of the vehicle. He didn't even ask me. He came so close to me. And he said, he called me an asshole. He called me an asshole, and he said, give me all your paperwork right now. All right. And everything's been recorded. And your vehicle's been towed. And you're receiving tickets.
I think that's for 20.
Used for, right now? For tactical purposes.
The officer received permission to issue the actor 4 tickets, including one for driving with a suspended license.
What's up, Sarge? Oh, shit, I forgot to, Alright, you can issue him a ticket, and that's going to be it, right? He's going to leave the car here? Up to you, whatever you want to do. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay? You're going to leave the car here? Okay. Yeah, he's going to park the car here. No problem. Go across the street and get the paperwork for the car. Okay, but he's getting 4 tickets, though. All right. Okay. Driving a registered motor vehicle, driving with an expired license, okay. Improper display, he got no front plates, and no inspection sticker. Okay. How many did you make out already? What's that? 4. You made 4? You already sent them in? Not yet. Yes? No. Can you bring it down to 2? Nah, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. No, it's up to you, bro. I can't tell you. Okay. All right. Your license is expired? Okay. All right. All right. I did, yeah. I did. Okay. All right. So I know if you want to come with me or... Yeah. Okay. So they know that that you're not going to get the tow and that you're going to... Yeah, I'm going to learn right now. Okay. All right. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know if he told you, but everything's being recorded on these body cameras, so...
Okay. So, as my sergeant, we're not going to tow your vehicle, but you're receiving summonses. Here's your keys. Here's your paperwork, driver's license, everything you gave me. You're receiving a ticket for no front plates.
Where's all the other paperwork?
It's in there. Everything you gave me. It's in the vehicle. You have no inspection, driving expired registration, and driving with expired license.
You're, like I said, you're gonna leave the car here and just go to DMV.
I'm walking DMV and handle this.
So, but you do know your registration is expired and your license too. Right?
That's what I'm going for.
Okay, I'm just letting you know that I didn't know if you just knew your registration was expired. You got both license.
I got everything.
Okay, all right. Yeah, all right?
All right, no, I'm good.
All right, you told
Just
him
the way he treated me, I was going to park the vehicle, no tickets issued, but just next time show some respect. That's all I got to say.
I don't have to.
All right, let's
Okay, I don't have either.
All right,
So, you have a great day, sir.
This is what they do. If something happens, you will see these people coming out on the street. Look at a simple situation. If this guy was nice, believe me, these people will not do this. Look at how he ended, try to be respectful. That was all what was, be respect, cooperate with them. That is simple. I don't understand why they always do this every time. When the situation like this arise, it's crazy. Thank you guys for always been there sharing out my videos. God bless you abundantly. As of the videos, you see the compilations behind my clips. Please, please, please. It is just for the YouTube algorithm. You can end here. You must not watch to the end.
A few moments later.
Something like that. Well, why not? I mean, stranger things have happened.
Went like, how dare you? Do you even know what an audit is? And I'm like,
women and so many men are
theory that a lot of people seem to be coalescing around.
They were too woke, insisting that people use the term Latinx.
You have to say they. No, you have to do this.
Stop with the virtue signaling.
Step away from woke. Focus less on who is woke and more on who is broke.
I'd never seen that.
Saw so many liberals getting super excited every time Kamala had a new celebrity endorsement. But we all know for a fact that these celebrity endorsements are not free.
Oh, is it true that they paid you $1 million for the endorsement for Kamala?
Not true.
Now it's time to unite everybody.
I want you to know what would change after doing this.
Comes out against Trump.
I don't care if they write that.
So, with that, I'm going to shake it off.
Figure out a way to say thank you.
That guy's name, he's such an absolute prick. I can't stand him. But anyway,
Hey there. Not doing great. Terrible night last night. It was a terrible night.
What will the rest of us be doing on day one?
Bishop Vigano, he says that
if I look at the big picture, it doesn't look good. So I'm going to work on this. No matter what's going on out there in the world, of course, the worst things could happen.
So we fell short. I'm saying